dry hair that's easy to break, and now we're going into winter months, so I wanted to come up with a protective style. It's so not hard to do at all. I did my whole hair myself. I also got this passion twist style idea from Boho Babe. I'll link her Instagram down below and also her YouTube channel down below. So you can do this hairstyle at home. You just need to carve out about 6 to 8 hours to do this hairstyle, and you're gonna look good, girl. Want to know how to do this hairstyle right here? Keep on watching. The hair you're going to need for this look is a freetress braid water wave hair. The color I used was number 2, number 30. Now the first step is you want to go ahead and loosen up the hair. I'm just unraveling the hair and making it less defined. And I placed the braiding hair right on top of my actual hair. So like you can see on screen, my actual natural hair is right in the middle of the braiding hair. Then taking one side of the braiding hair and your actual natural hair, you're gonna start twisting, and I do about 5 to 6 twists. It just depends on how tight my hair feels. Then after you twist the hair, then you're gonna take the next side of the braiding hair, and we're gonna start wrapping it around the hair. Now again, how many times do you wrap around the braiding hair? It just depends on how tight you would like it to be. After you wrap the hair around, then the last step is you just start twisting it down. Wait, but if you want to go ahead and add another shade of color / a highlight into the hair, this is how you do it. Okay, let's do it again. Now I went ahead and added in the highlight. So again, I'm using color 2 and then also number 30, which is the highlight / lighter brown. Step 1 is always to loosen it out. Step 2 is to place the braiding hair right on top of your natural hair, so your natural hair is right in the middle. Step 3 is in one side of the braiding hair and your actual natural hair, and then start twisting. Step 4 is to take the other side of the braid hair and start wrapping it around your hair. Now you can see I actually wrapped it in an opposite direction than I did the first twist, so it's really up to you which direction you would like to wrap it in. Then after you wrap the hair around, step 5 is to go ahead and start twisting the hair down. Simple, right? But wait, before we end, you have to do something else. What you need to do is you need to go back in the scissors and you need to go ahead and cut any loose ends. This will help the hair to look more professionally done. Not just professionally done, but the appearance of the hair would look much better and cohesive. You clip any longer ends that just need to go. So that is how I do my passion twist. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If it did help you out a lot and you enjoy this type of video and you want to see my other protective styles that I use especially now in the winter months to help my natural hair grow, make sure you have an account and then you subscribe real quick. Down below for new videos every single week. There's about 3 videos a week, girlfriend, okay? So you don't want to miss it out. And you know the dealio. I'll talk to you soon.